Fambulen, sorry for the network. Of course, we all know say with this Sierra Leone and the network came bad. But tell God thank you. We don't come back. This is part 2. We get another maybe 30 minutes for do with Salon Trump, who is vowing to become the next president of Sierra Leone for the PDP, and we can go now live with the man to be the next president of Sierra Leone. A possible Trump.
Trump, Mina is civil society responsible for democratic change, targeting political, social, and economic life of Sierra Leone and her citizens.
Yes.
I also work to cultivate a nationalistic spirit that nurtures excellent foreign policies that allows the absolute exercise of autonomy as partner among the global community of nations.
Wow.
Believing that people are the greatest asset of a nation among other natural resources that contribute to a prosperous society of modern time.
Wow.
The glorious past of Sierra Leone as a British colony and later an independent state faded away into despair immediately after the attainment of republican status in 1971, founded on democratic value of participatory governance.
Yeah.
Salon Trump promotes republican spirit of self-determination and needs for governors to obtain mandate from the people, who in turn execute the public business on the basis of fair deal with accountable and transparent standards that allows the fulfillment of the potential of individual, families, community, and the state within an orderly framework without recourse to violence or any form of intimidation that conveys fear and terror. PDP will work to assure the fullest unimpeded enjoyment of political participation of citizens without the undue limitation of poverty and ignorance, which are often exploited by the powerful few in power, was influence, intimidate any opinion of opposition at community level. In the context of Sierra Leone now preparing to host general election in 2018, March 7, Sobe intend to promote civic education on election, peace, justice, ethics of community democracy, and protection of victims of corruption, environmental pollution, and vote tricking through liquor reform, advocacy, and legal aid. The high level of corruption and ineptitude on part of officials in public positions makes increased numbers of citizens vulnerable who may want to protect through its services. The widespread intimidation in the 2012 general election on the PDP Sobe candidate that subverted the citizens' right to participatory democracy invites a response from the civil society to protect against subversives that threaten peace, justice, and good governance.
Yes.
The succession of state leadership through the hands of corrupt, selfish politicians and ill-informed public has spelled doom for the future of the people that the military had always had the urge to violate a professional ethics as custodian as state security and territorial integrity.
Yes.
to violate the government. So in this case, the political culture of Sierra Leone is based on family ties across the region, and loyalty is motivated by sycophancy and greed in order to share in the power of the state, which is managed by patronage. The 21-year or the 9-year rule of all people Congress APC, characterized by one-party system and vote tricking, to accompany an ambitious middle class into the class of powerful who have left for legacy of mistrust for election among the masses. This is particularly important when read against the rampant use of excess power that pilot ambitious politicians to power without the due mandate of the electorate, hence breeding dissatisfaction and distrust. The return of the multi-party politics in 1996 had realized very little significance in the context of promoting accountability and transparency in governance, since votes are cast for parties with little opportunity of holding a specific candidate that's responsible for the political head of a traditional constituency.
Yes.
The prolonged period of one-party politics terminating into military user in civil government elected through the multi-party election using electoral method of proportional representation seem to portray back meaning to some mind was political loyalty adheres to party regardless to the credibility of its manifesto and its delivery mechanism. The only unique opportunity of joining grassroots representation is the option of PDP Sobe candidate who could be recognized as true community representative entrenched in the confidence of voters who voting freely without intimidation in my favor. So PDP Sobe flag bearer therefore thrive on continued performance to maintain the goodwill of my community, that your results oriented and progressive without due consideration due to common ability, as in the case of traditional parties of APC SLP was status decreased so by a few powerful tribesmen. Power remain in the defeat hands of corrupt politicians until a popular movement that is committed to a civic education unleashed to arouse the political consciousness of the electorate. Commonality had led to declaring some candidates as unopposed for in the state parliament and the local government. This commonality, in effect, is disenfranchising greater proportion of citizens who lack any opportunity to redress for fear of reprisal from party stalwart with the vote allocated to the community party. The legacy of fear and uncertainty left behind by years of sultanic and military rule cannot permit illiterate voters to vote against a ruling regime for distance promise delivered by a strange messenger on the political platform. This scenario makes it entirely hard for newly formed party to succeed against a traditional party who offer their mutual benefit by recycling their ministers and other officers in political position. This defeated syndrome, which is evidenced by powerless, it is greatest among voters. It is ignorance on the part of voters who cannot read or write and therefore depend on the few enlightened community members for guidance when it comes to a decision making about a political participation. The option of voting of Usman Traoré, the challenger Elason Solontom, could serve as an attractive incentive to allay the prevailing fears. The ugly phenomenon prevailing in the northern province, with a dominant Timini ethnic group claiming APC is our party, as against the Mendi dominant southern and eastern provinces claiming SLPP is our party, continue to undermine genuine effort geared towards community democracy as a way to having a truly representative government. Digesting this culture of common ability requires considerable objectivity and national spirit, whereby few powerful tribesmen can declare a common ability to a political party.
Wow.
Enforcing on the feeble mass who are poor and ill-informed about their political right. As a citizens of a democratic state might go unnoticed, evidence of political scapegoating is the refusal of party symbol to deserving candidate and intimidating such candidate from running as PDP Sobe candidate, flag bearer, as in their word it is against communal value. Parliamentarians, for instance, represent parties in parliament, while the masses remain unrepresented. So this misrepresentation is engendered by traditional parties, whose corporate interest is to monopolize power.